Alright, today we're going to learn how to paint this little guy here and see what it looks like in Metal Mayhem. Alright, the question of the day is, how did Impressionism get started?
Interactive crimson. Let's get the party started.
So the question is, how does Impressionism get started? So there's two really big criteria you got to take into consideration of the time. Is the invention of photography, 1860s, 1840s, 1860s. So this started to come about, and then, you know, painters were like, oh, this is the end of the world. What are we gonna do? We can't paint realism anymore, right? And so that was one reaction. So they started to get more abstract in their painterly style. Another key consideration, invention-wise, is the invention of tube paint. So before this, people had to make, you know, their own kind of lamb skin from intestines, kind of tubes for paint. And it really wasn't practical to try to go paint on the street, maybe in watercolor, but not necessarily in oil, and later obviously acrylic. So the invention of these tube paints allowed the Impressionists to actually go physically paint outdoors. And so this was kind of a whole revolution in painting, was the ability to paint outdoors, paint the whole landscape on site and capture the light in its essence, versus previously they probably had sketched it with pencil and then gone back in and kind of filled in the blanks, so to say, paint by numbers. So the Impressionists were really capturing how to paint in the moment with the light, and they also considered the color black to kind of, they took that out of their equation, so they never used black. And obviously you can make black from the three primaries, so I don't think that's really a consideration, but they took black out of the equation, so to say, and focused on that. That's the technical things that went into Impressionism. That's the question of the day. Alright, we just finished the painting. Let's take a closer look. So this is really simple. It just has the base color, white mix, obviously the darker and the white. So just really quick and dirty kind of painting. I like the results, even though it's simple to make in this style. It has kind of a bold streaks to it. It will look a lot better once I add gloss. I don't want to add it yet because I want to photograph it, and then I'm gonna. So the final result should look a lot better, a lot richer in the colors. It's pretty dark, but hopefully someone likes it. If you guys like it, give me a thumbs up. If you want to subscribe below, and I'll check you in the next painting video. Thanks for watching, guys.